Today is Vaikuntha Ekadashi. Good to sing bhajan. Achyuta asharana sharana. Rama, little more. Achyuta asharana sharana. Kamala lalita charana. Narayana Narayana. Bhaja Govinda Hare. Jaya Gopal Hare. Narayana Narayana Jaya Gopal Hare. Gopal Hare. Achyuta Asharana Sharana. Kamala lalita charana. Narayana Narayana. Jaya Gopal Hare. Narayana Narayana. Jaya Govinda Hare. Govinda Hare. Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki. Namo Bhagavate Tubhyam. Vasudevaya Dhimahi. Pradyumnaya Niruddhaya. Namah Sankarsanaya Cha. Krishnaya Vasudevaya. Hare Paramatmane. Pranata Klesha Nashaya. Govindaya Namo Namaha. Govindaya Namo Namaha. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnoho. Smaranam Padasevanam. Archanam Bandhanam Dasyam. Sakyam Atmanivedanam. Again. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnoho. Smaranam Padasevanam. Archanam Bandhanam Dasyam. Sakyam Atmanivedanam. Somebody has to go and tell outside everybody to keep quiet and close the door also. Thank you, Narayan. The Vishnoho Navadha Bhakti is shown here. Bhakti asyastiti bhaktah. One who has devotion is called as bhaktah. The word bhakti has three meanings according to Vyakaranam. Bhaja dhatu means sevayam. Bhajanam bhakti. Kim nama bhajanam? Bhajanam nama rasanam. You just enjoy. You have that enjoyment of the Lord. How is Leela, His name, His form, you just enjoy all of them. And the example is given like cow grazing, and if you see the cow grazing quickly, she grazes grass and sits under a tree and bring back all that it is grazed and does second time chewing. And you can see the cow that time she enjoys. That is called rasanam. You go to the katha, you go to the temple, go to the kirtanam, go to the yatra, tirtha yatra. When you come back home, you recollect and enjoy that experience again mentally. That is called as bhakti. In our tradition, those who follow tradition do one thing. Having the glimpse of Bhagavan in the temple, and especially Vaishnava temple, they decorate Bhagavan very well. Alankaro Priya Vishnu. Lord Vishnu likes lot of ornaments. Or Shiva doesn't like much, he is okay. You want only vibhuti, enough. Some rudraksha and some skull if you want maximum, that's all you wanted. Or Vishnu is well decorated, always tayyar hoke rehte hain. And the devotees are also very rich. I found one thing about that. All chettiars are there to give them so much. Tirupati Balaji, you see, if they allow you to stand before Bhagwan, Jarkande, if you see the beautiful glimpse of Bhagwan Darshanam, Sannidhi, then you are asked to sit outside the temple. There is always place to sit. Veranda or some steps will be there. There you sit and recollect mentally today what type of cloth Bhagwan was wearing, what type of ornaments were there, what type of look Bhagwan had today. That is called as bhakti. You listen some story from Swami Pratyak Bodhananda. I am good storyteller. Krishna went to one gopi's home and she knew he is going to come. Krishna goes for butter and milk, nothing less than that. Gopi and Gop decided will catch him and report to Yashoda. They both slept on a cot. You know the khatiya, in Indian khatiya, you know that rassi wali. If you sit on that, you become like this in the morning, you know, that khatiya. अब्बा उसको क्या बोलते हैं? चारपाई, खटिया, चारपाई. They both lie down like this. Both the heads are facing each other. Heads are facing like this. They are lying like that, and the pots up. All the butter and milk is there in the pot. They try to, as though sleeping, they were sleeping down, snoring. Krishna went with his gang. He's a gangster. Saw these fellows, and no, he had a one straw-like thing which grows in the village, in the water plant. He put that up, and started sucking milk. And everybody was starting drinking milk and make a heat. So some milk came down like throwing, they were drinking. And first thing he saw, before doing all this mischief, he saw this Gop and Gopi lying down like that. The Gopa had a long beard flowing down, and Gopi had long hair flowing down. He said, I could not go for Hastamilapa. Hastamilapa means, marriage, you shake hand. So let me do Choti Melapa. So let me tie this both. So he took the long beard of Gopa and long hair of this thing and tied down. He put so many knots on that. Some noise happened. Gopi got up. Hey, chor, chor, thief, thief, thief. Now they got up. The problem is this is tied up. And they want to see who is there. And by the way, Krishna has finished butter and everything. And his mouth was full with the milk. He sprayed the milk on the eyes of both of them so they can't see. Ran away. Now this poor thing somehow wiped the eyes and want to complain to Yashoda. This is what your son did to us. Like this, and this fellow is tied down to that. They could not remove the tie. When Krishna tied down, you can't remove it. That is, he is very good in putting knots. Very naughty guy. And in this condition, they went to Yashoda. Krishna has already reached Yashoda and told him, Mom, I'm sitting next to you. Did you see? Yes. I'm not gone anywhere? No. Look at these gopis are all liars. They come and give you a false complaint, okay? And this Gopi came, Ayyo Yashoda, look at your son has done listening, Yashoda said, Gopi, are you talking sense? Why? You are 6 feet tall and my Krishna is only 2 feet. Did he climb with a staircase on your head to tie you down? They can't tell stories that they were lying down like that. They can't tell all the story. Tell. He said, whatever Amma happened, you are also taking his side. And Krishna was giggling sitting there. And even Yashoda could not untie the knot. And Krishna said, Amma, I'm ready with the scissors. Shall I cut it? And say, okay, somehow release us, both of us. Krishna removed the beard of the man and the choti of the Gopi. And one of my Swami used to tell, in Kali Yuga, women will not keep long hair, men will not keep beard. So start now only. Removed. Now you are sitting, this funny story, bringing Krishna to your mind. That is called Rasanam. You enjoy the Rama, you enjoy the Krishna. Bhago bhakti. You divide. भाग करना मालूम है हिंदी में बोलते हैं. On my side is the Krishna and there is other side, there is samsara. One side is samsara, other side is Krishna. I choose between these two. I take Krishna. I don't want anything in this world. This is called Mere to Giridhara Gopal. Dusara na koi. That is called bhakti. Third name meaning of the bhakti is the bhaj dhatu. Bhanjanam bhakti. Bhaj amardane. All your likes and dislikes, ragat dveshas are there. They bother you and me so much because we are under them. Only to get rid of them is this bhakti will remove them, will make him docile. That's the only way out. That is why bhakti helps. So, bhajanam, 9-fold we can do. Bhakti of Lord Vishnu. Prahlad ji is our guru here. He is advising us to do bhakti and we have reached at last Atmanivedanam. Dasyam Sakyam Atmanivedanam. Once complete surrender, one's ego is totally offered to the Lord. Here there is one very interesting thing. When Srimad Bhagavat was there earlier also, number of Sanskrit commentary came up on the Bhagavatam. In the Kashi there was a big Shastrartha which is most authentic. And it went to Jagannath Puri. That time Sridhara Swami was there. He has written a Sridhara Tika on Bhagavatam. And they want to know who knows very well. They put the book before Lord Jagannath Puri, put the curtain, and after a few minutes they opened the curtain. There was a verse written by Lord on the Bhagavatam. Shuko veti, Vyaso veti, Shuko veti. Nrupo veti na veti va. Sri Dharam Sakalam veti. Sri Nrsimha Prasadata. Vyasji knows the Bhagavatam. Shukadeva knows Bhagavatam very well. The king Parikshit has understood or not because crash program of 7 days, we don't know. But Nrsimha, Nrsimha Prasadat, Shri Dhara Swami Sakalam Veti. That is a Nrsimha Shri Dhara Swami Tika is most authentic Tika on Bhagavatam. It's Advaita Paraka, except Advaita Sampradaya, and written a beautiful Tika. So here there is a one line commentary about the Atma Nivedanam by Sridhara Swami. He says, Swasharira Samarpanam. Now listen, at this moment, your body is serving whom? Whole day and night. He is the closest associate of you, only serving whom? Generally speaking, me, we are not three words, I, me and mine. These three. So self-centered. Never wanted to do anything physically for others also. And this shariram where I have I buddhi, and that is the cause for all problems. So much Dehatma Buddhi, Deha Ahamiti Buddhi, Dehe Atma Buddhi is so strong. We are so self-centered. The spirituality starts the day you use this body to serve the humanity, mankind, or all the devotees of the world. Selfless service. That is called Swasharira Samarpanam. Oh Lord, this body was given to me. I was very busy with this body, and body I want to work only for me, nobody else. Now I make this body surrender to you, or body I give it to you. In India, I know a lot of people. Recently, one of my devotees, phone call came from India. She said she is not going to survive long, and her last wish is her body should be given for medical purpose. what they should do, all this advice they asked from me, I gave them. This is very beautiful. When I'm alive also, I use for others. And when I die also, let it be used for others. This is a very pavitra bhavana. At least first you offer when you are alive. Sasamarpanam. That is why the bhakta consider, gopis consider her body belong to Krishna only. Bhakta says, this is not my body, this is the body belong to Lord. And all the seva of the Lord it does day and night. This example is known to you very well. A child is born, mother forgets about her own comforts, constantly serving the child. She doesn't care for her health, for condition, and constantly for the child because she loves the child so much. Similarly, that is called number one, Samarpanam. And he gives a beautiful example. Yatha vikritasya gava ashvadehe bharana palanadi chinta na kriyate. Olden days, your great-grandfather and grandfather lived in small village in Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh, Gudivada, Samvada, they were staying. And it was an agriculture country. And there were always cows and horses. For transport they used the horses. For agriculture and for everything else, Go Raksha. Understand, not a cow farming. India never believed in that. Go Raksha, protecting the cow and serving the cow. The cows were kept, they may take milk, but once the cow is there in the home, you serve the cow, Go Seva, and up to the time her natural death comes, you take care of the cow. If you come to Gujarat, I can show you thousands, 100,000 cows are there. Old cows, they are just kept, they feed them and take care of them. They are called as what? No. Any Gujarati here? Panjarapol. Pujya Swami Dayanji says the Panjarapol concept he sees very clearly, mainly in Gujarat. Sometimes he gets into mood and says, India means Gujarat, Hinduism means Gujarat. They take care of, Go Raksha, for service only. In that, this thing, sometimes they sell the cow or give the cow to other person because they have got too many. Or horses also, and there will be special market for the horses and cow where they are sold also. Once you sell the cow or when you sell your horse, thereafterward, bharana palanadi, to feed them, to take care of them, to tendering them, all that you are doing day and night. Anybody has here kept a cow and served her physically? Anybody, one person at least? You have done it? No, you did, anybody else have done? You did it or not? I am asking you. Yeah, roti. Yeah, you have seen it's a 24-hour job, not ordinary. Especially keeping cow with the respect. It's all cow, bullock, everything, and calves are there. In our Vrindavan ashram, we have got more than 750 cows. Abba, very healthy cows. These cows, They take care. Now one, you have got chinta. Evening you have to give water, a morning you have to give fodder, all the time. It goes, whole day goes around cows only. But that chinta was there, worrying is there in your mind, duties are there. Once you are given away, then afterward, chinta na kriyate. What about taking her for a walk? No way. What about feeding her? No problem. What about giving shower to them? No chinta. Example, you understood? Once you change of ownership is there, thereafterward all the responsibility do not belong to me anymore. Similarly, tatha deham tasmai samarpya. This body which I have so much attachment, I surrender this body to the Lord. Oh Lord, so far I was giving something other than me. Some tulsi and some rosy, some banana and some apple, the spoiled bananas and all these things I used to give you. This is other problem in the temple, They will ask, two types of bitter nuts are available. One is for puja, other for eating. And for puja it is cheap. And for eating is what? Expensive. Abba. वो लोग पूजा के लिए चाहिए कि खाने के लिए चाहिए? No. I have to give as a charity, Lord of things. Here is a time come when my body is offered to the Lord. Are there any example like that? Very popular example is Bhagavan Vishnu comes to in a draft place as short guy, Vamana. Very beautiful avatar of Bhagavan, Brahmachari. Bhagavan comes as a Brahmachari. Just for a change. A student, he has all the linga of Brahmachari. Linga means what, All that indicates Kamandalu, Danda, Yajnapavitam and Mekhala, all that in sandal, Paduka, special Paduka, Rudrakshamala and small umbrella also he was carrying. Yeah. Must be from Kerala. Umbrella, all these things. And Bhagavan comes in the form of Vamana. He was shining. It's a sight to be seen, Vamana walking. And Aditi was very happy. He was born to Aditi. Kashyap Aditi, born to that. She did Upasana, so much prayers. In India, for children, they always used to do a lot of prayers. And for marriage, much more prayer. Okay. By the way, I have to tell one joke, small joke. One day I went to when I go to a Grahasta's house, I said by mistake or whatever I tell to this woman, you got a really good husband, really, you are very lucky. This man is really good person. Then she started, Swamiji, she was Gujarati, 10 આંગળીએ પુણ્ય કર્યું છે. I did punya with all my 10 fingers. So much prayers I had done. પછી તમારા ભાઈ મળ્યા. Then I got this person. This man was smiling that time. This mischievous smile was on his face. I thought he's a good guy, but now look at him. Then I asked, आपको क्या कहना है इसके विषय में? She did so much punya to get you. He said, Swamiji, I also should have done some punya. Why I did not do anything punya that I don't know. I don't have jokes. You give me joke. What can I do? So she did so much punya karya. Prayers were there for the son to be born, Ishvara, to get the kingdom of Devatas back from the Asuras. That was the prayer. And Bhagavan came as a son. To fulfill his prayer, he walked down. Immediately, there is a place near, if you know, in Gujarat, on the bank of Narbada, there is a city called as Bharuch. As such, his name is Bhrugu Kshetra. There is still one mountain, if you dig, ash comes out from that mountain. That is the place Bali used to do all homas. So much homas did. Bali was a great Dharmatma. And Bhagwan wanted to get everything from him. He went there, Bali was very pleased. Seeing a brahmachari is auspicious, consider. Even olden days king, when they say from a great institution, brahmachari is walking out, they will give all the honor to them and ask, what can I do for you? Do you want dakshina to give to your guru? Do you want to get married? I will get a good kanya for you. You want to have a house? I can give one village to you. Because you have studied Veda. You have followed Sampradaya. You have spent your time learning Dharma Shastra. So everything available to you. Same question, Bali. I said, I don't want to go, it'll be 9 o'clock already, so I cannot go longer. So he did not go. The big story is there. Bali want to do the sankalpa. And Bali wash the feet, want to wash the feet of Atithi called Vamana. And he asked, what do you want? And I can give you so many things. I can give you one kingdom, I can give you. And the Vamana is so cute and so sweet in talking, very smart. He started praising Bali's father, his grandfather. In your house, there is nobody in your generation who was not charitable. This is the way you should get money, you know. All were charitable. What to talk about your father, your grandfather? What to talk about all those fellows, Prahlada, etc. Then what you want? He said, I wanted 3 steps of land. With my feet, I'm a small boy. Why so small? You don't know how to ask things from me, I'm Raja. He said, that is enough for me. I want to sit down and do my morning, evening prayer. That 3 steps will be over. Is enough for me. And to give, you have to always do sankalpa. By this time, the Shukracharya was meditating, who is this boy? Who is this brahmachari? And he could see yoga drashti. There are people, when they look into your eyes, they know your purva janma also. These fellows are like that. So, and he found out, oh, this is not ordinary brahmachari, but this is that Vishnu has came in this form and he is going to take away all the kingdom of my disciple. Understand? If disciple loses a business, you lose your dakshina. Correct? So we always bless our disciple. May your business go up. Why? Let dakshina come to us. That's all. Yad bhavi yad bhavam. If he has got only, will get. Kuhe to avade jaye. Aa rahe the. And he understood, told openly Bali, hey, this is clever, Vishnu has come. He will take away everything from you. Bali said, so what? Generally, we, after doing puja, we say, Krishnarpanamastu, Brahmarpanamastu. We offer to Lord a kayana vacha, is all that offer it, Lord. When Vishnu himself came to ask from me what more I want, I am ready to give everything. Now Guru was very angry because disciple doesn't listen to him. Generally all Gurus have the same complaint. So, he goes his way always. Guru बोलेगा ये करेगा नहीं ये नहीं करेगा जाओ जाओ इसे करेगा ठीक है. But Kali Yuga disciple, so this fellow won't listen. I got one joke about that, but I won't tell now. Okay. 9 o'clock. 9, well, I'm supposed to finish by 9, correct? Then he started, in India, Chambu with the snook is there, special pot with this outing. He had water to do sankalpa, require water. And they say Shukracharya was so annoyed. He doesn't want him to do sankalpa. If water comes out, sankalpa will happen. He took a small insect form and set inside. So through this, no water comes out. And Bali was surprised. I'm doing this thing, but nothing comes out. Something is there. Then he took a straw, put inside, and Shukracharya lost one eye. Thereafter, he became one-eyed. A person is one-eyed, we say, Ayye Shukracharya. There's always a you have got name, squint-eyed if somebody is there, what we call them, LLTT. Looking at London, talking at Tokyo. This one also. That's a story not in Bhagavatam. But he decided to give. And moment he said, Sankalpa I did with his wife Vindhyachali. She was supportive of her husband. Give. Vishnu has come, give, so what? Then he took immediately, change it. He took a big form, his form from this small draft boy become a huge Virat Swarupa it became. And in 1 feet he measured whole this world. 2nd feet Trivikrama it went up to the Bhuloka, all measured, all your punya, janya, heaven is taken away by me. All that is your earned here, all the Mother Earth I have taken. Now you ask me, now he's threatening him. Tie him down also with Varunupasa. And started Vishnu talking very tough language. You told me to give 3 steps. Where shall I put my 3rd step? And in this condition also, he said, Sir, I'm sorry, but I'm going to give you what I promised. I will give you Padam Trutiyam Purushishnametvam. My ego, the giver, is still remaining. Put your step on my head. So, whatever, see, I give something, but giver always remains. So, more than what you have given, the giver is important. So, total me goes to the Bhagavan, and Bhagavan as though put on the leg on his head, and then he was so happy. Lord Vishnu does not want anything. He returned to him everything and said, Hey, Raja, this is called Bali Raja, go to the Sutala Loka. Your grandfather Prahlada also will be with you, and I will protect you there. And Bhagwan became a gatekeeper at the Loka, security guard to protect you. And this is the way Bali had total Sharanagati. Therefore, today also, anybody giving a big charity, that is called as what? Danam, and his name, Bali Raja name, Mahabali name is put, Bali Danam. That is sacrifice. That is called Atma Nivedanam. My whole person, Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mamekam Saranam Braja Aham Tva Sarva Papebhyah Mokshayishyami Masuchah. All yat karosi yadasnasi, yat juhosi dadasi yat tapasyati kaunteya, tat kurushva madarpanam. This is the way all that I have as such belongs to Lord only. Amazing thing is, I take this thing to be mine. This is called chori. Chori मालूम है चोरी क्या होता है? You steal something. All that I am given. Therefore, if I return to person who has given me, that become a clean. You become more and more light. This is the way here it is said. Atma Nivedanam Parameshwarat Anya Mam Saranam Nasti. There is no other Saranam for me other than Parameshwaram. Na dharma nishtosmi na chatma vedi na bhakti matvat charanaravinde akinchano nanyakati sharanya tatpada moolam saranam prapadye. Yamunacharya says, Sharanagati. That is why in the Vishnoho, this Navada Bhakti, Vishnoho Atma Nivedanam. To the Vishnu I totally surrender. Like Bali surrender to the Vishnu. We can give you example, Gita. See, a very beautiful thing. When Rama returned from forest, लोगों ने पूछा वन में कौन कौन मिले, whom did you see in the forest? कौन से लोग अच्छे लगे, whom did you like? See, this is a question when you go to India also people ask. Pujya Swamiji came from USA to first time. He came to US and came back. In Bharati Vidya Bhavan he was asked the same question. Swamiji, what is your experience about America? What do you think about America? Swamiji said immediately, in India people are uncomfortably unhappy. In America people are comfortably unhappy. Which is better? Huh? We are very comfortable. All is air conditioned. क्या चाहिए? In India you can't sit in my class like that. We are talking about moksha in the Gita class and Moksha class. My students give moksha. They don't listen moksha. All the time they give moksha, moksha. हमारा मोक्ष बाद में तुम्हारा पहले. All the mosquitoes are out for blood donation drive. That time only. When you return, they always ask this question. What is your experience about America? राम जी को भी यही प्रश्न पूछा गया. राम जी मुस्कुरा कर कहे, गीत का समर्पण, शबरी का प्रेम और बंदरों की मित्रता हमको बहुत अच्छी लगी. दिस इज रामा स्टेटमेंट इन रामायण. द गीत द बर्ड, समर्पणम, टोटल सेक्रीफाइस. द गीत न्यू, the vulture knew he cannot fight against Ravana and win the war. Ravana is very strong. I am going to die in the process. He did not mind to die, but for Rama's sake, he fought with Ravana. Very, very big fight. He was injured. And Rama went there afterwards. Saw he was still alive. First thing Rama said, "Hey Geet, I will make you okay. You will have new life." He said, "I want to die." Rama, people utter your name while dying. And when I am dying, you are there with the very form also, Rama. What more I wanted? And you know what did Rama say to Gita, vulture? Do one thing. When you go to my loka, Saket loka, don't tell my father Dasharatha that Sita is kidnapped. Please don't give disturbing news to him. Then how will he come to know about Sita kidnapped? He said, Ravana goes up and himself will report. He need not report. I am sending Ravana also. He will come there. Ramayana is so enjoyable. And second thing is Shabri, which I told you yesterday. Amazing character, whole Ramayana. Navada Bhakti Upadesha Rama does to Shabri. Shabri is listening, sitting in one corner. Oh, Rama is giving Upadesha. See, this page is there with you, everybody here? I don't know how many. In the Navada Bhakti about Tulsi Krit Ramayana, Ramacharit Manas I have given you. Last chaupai number 4. Soi atisaya priya bhamini more sakala prakara bhagati drudatore. Don't worry, this you can chant or not. First, it tells all the Navada Bhakti. Shabri is listening, thinking that Rama is giving me Upadesha of ninefold devotion. And Rama suddenly takes a U-turn and said, if one Bhakti is there out of 9, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, he gains me. But Shabri, you have got all the 9 in full flesh. You are a blessed one. I am not giving you teaching, I am praising you. If you started praising Shabri, Shabri will not take it. In the form of teaching, he first talked about Navada Bhakti, and he said, Sakala Prakar Bhagati Drudatore. All the Bhaktis are alive in you. You are Shabri. In Bhagavatam, Sudama is like that. All the Bhaktis are present in Sudama, Kuchela. And here is the Shabri Mai. He has all the Bhaktis. And Rama had a great friendship with all the monkeys. The way monkeys served, you know one thing, you should understand the political situation. Rama had no army. He cannot have army because our father has sent him to forest in the hermitage dress. He has no army, and if suppose he gets some army, how will you feed him? He has no land to keep them. Where will he produce the arms also? And very beautiful thing, make a friendship with Sugriva, all the bear and big monkeys, that become his army. And he had no tension of feeding them. They go to any forest, eat and come away. Appa, free food everywhere. And they served Rama. Rama said, in that time I had nothing, you food. And you know, these monkeys used to fight. Our Swami Dayanji says, they will kill one Rakshasa. One Rakshasa, one demon will kill by throwing stone or something. And other Rakshasa, take this Rakshasa, throw back to other Rakshasa. That is why other Rakshasa to kill. Amazing. Rama Ravana Yoho Yuddham. There was no big fight like The fight war between Rama and Ravana. Which war? All the monkeys. And Hanuman is one of the monkey, understand? One day Mandodari told, send away Sita. One monkey came, destroyed the whole Lanka. And there are thousands of monkeys like that. What will happen to us? Still Ravana doesn't give up. Shall I, a king, be afraid of monkeys? Like that he again asked. This is Ramayana. Thank you so much. Already I overshoot the time, 9:10, and we had a wonderful time talking about Kaivalya Upanishad and Navada Bhakti, Atma Nivedanam, Sharanagati. Lastly we talked. Thank you so much. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Vapashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namah. Hari Om.